Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove email address from your Facebook account. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app. After this, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. After this, tap on settings, then tap on Meta Account Center. In here, under account setting, you guys can find out personal details. Tap on here and then you guys can find out your personal details, your contact info and also your email address. If you tap on contact info, then you guys can find out your mobile number and also your email address. Then if you want to remove any of your email address, then you guys can also do it by tapping on the email address of yours. If you tap on delete email, you guys can remove the email address from your account. So this is how you can remove email address from your Facebook account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.